How to get drawing cartoons 2 on iPhone. First, let's ask first if can we get drawing cartoons 2 on iPhone? As you can see as we search it, no, because it is not natively available on the Apple App Store for iPhone. So this kind of game or this kind of application is only available on the Amazon App Store or to a Android device. So if you have an iPhone device, this does not allow you to have this on your game. However, there are different other options or alternatives that you can choose. So the first alternative, if you want a cartoon animation, is the Flippa Clip. So you can install this to the App Store because it has the same functions as the other options or the drawing cartoons. So as you can see, there are popular features and tools that you can use if you are deeply onto animations or to arts or cartooning. So you can go ahead and install this to your Apple Store instead.